back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this hair. I am wearing about a 38-inch or a 36-inch Brazilian body wave wig. This is a 13x4 wig and it is so nice and pretty and long. I'm going to stand up really quick so you guys can see how long it is. It actually falls down pretty far down on me. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I filmed this video, well, if you guys are interested in seeing how I installed this wig, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be installing this 13x6 wig from Westkiss hair. First thing I'm doing is of course cutting off around my lace. You guys, I was literally on my way to Atlanta for All-Star Weekend. And my flight was literally in like not 30 minutes, but maybe like an hour. So I was really trying to move fast and get this wig put on. Okay, y'all? So I'm just going to go ahead and skim through this process. I'm going to be going in with my lace glue. This is my own lace glue and it's called the So Melted lace glue. Make sure you guys check that out because they are in stock online. So I am going to be doing 2 layers of this. And I'm just smearing it, as you guys can see, with my fingers. I'm not even going perfect as I usually would. And my makeup, like, if you guys watch the video from now to like later on, I had freshly did my makeup. But by the time I get through my hairstyle, you'll see my makeup set it in so pretty. Comment down below and let me know if you guys want me to film a makeup tutorial on this look, because I ain't gonna lie, it was cute. And let me know if you guys think this is like a spring makeup tutorial, because if I redo it, I want it to be a spring makeup tutorial since we are in spring. So now I went ahead and went in with my second layer. Now that that's turned clear, I'm just picking it up and gluing it down. Well, sticking it down to the glue. Also guys, if you didn't notice, I did not cut my cap and do the bald method. Lately, I've been giving myself a break from that bald method because I personally feel like the bald method is really what pulls your edges out. And I'm really like trying to focus on my natural hair but still be like a little baddie with the wigs. But I am trying to grow my edges back out. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get any little corners that I missed out on with my glue. And make sure that everything is just fully glued down all around. You never want to have any pieces of the lace unglued because it will really like lift up and make the hair like lift up all around, honestly. So keep that in mind. Make sure that everything is fully glued down. So also I do know that my part is over bleached. My part looks stupid wide, but don't worry about it. I'm going to be fixing it. As you guys can see, I'm just pressing that out with my hot comb. I'm now going to be taking some of my mascara, y'all. This is my secret to cleaning my part and having a better part. Look at my back, y'all. I ain't have on no panties. Anyways, I didn't put my pants on yet, of course. But I'm just going in and I'm just making my part smaller with the mascara. As y'all can see, it is doing a perfect job. Now look how clean that looks. Before it was all over bleached and now I done made my part smaller. I'm now going to be pulling out strings and I'm going to begin to do my baby hairs. For some reason, when I'm in a rush, I don't really care for my baby hairs. But these actually came out very nice. So I'm just going ahead with my razor and I'm just going to be doing some cuts and some swoops. I'm going to be doing the same old baby hairs. Nothing new, nothing exciting. Just the regular baby hairs, you know what I mean? A lot of people tell me that they've watched these videos over and over again and they still can't get how I do my baby hairs. So if you guys want another like fully detailed and slowed down baby hair tutorial, comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see that again, so I can kind of show you guys and maybe go into full depth about it. I'm also using my gel, which is my baby hair glue. I think currently right now, I think I'm sold out because I did do a restock on the 20th. But you guys literally like cleaned me out of like everything. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and skim through this little baby hairs process. So also for this part, I did want to kind of go in depth with you guys on how I do my circle swoop. So the first thing you want to make sure that you guys do is you don't have too many hair at the ends. You guys want to make sure that the hair is getting narrow, so you cut from longest to shortest. Therefore your ends won't be too long. And then you just keep brushing it until you get it into that same position. Like, it's very just like a same pattern. Like, you see I keep brushing it, and then I'll put my finger in that part where I want it to spin, and I'll just comb it through. But you also need to make sure that you have product on the tip of that hair, because if you don't have any product, it's really not, it's going to be kind of like hard for it to actually stay into position. So as you guys can see, I'm going back again and combing it out, but I'm going to begin to do my swirl. And once I've kind of got that first part to swirl, I just basically pin it down with one finger, and I force the whole thing into a circle. Usually I'll use my rat tail comb, but I don't have my rat tail comb, so I'm just using my fingers. And then I'm going to go ahead and continue to do the other side as well. Alright y'all, now that I got my baby hairs all swirled and cute, I'm going to begin to finish my hair. I'm taking my Sleek Mist spray and my Slickum spray. I spray my Slickum spray first, and then I put my Sleek Mist spray afterwards. Once I do that, I put my melt bank on, and I just begin to let that set in and let it dry. Once it's been dry, I'm gonna take it off and show you guys how extremely melted it is. In the meantime, I'm just gonna do my part, and I follow the same routine. I put my Slickum spray first, and then I do my Sleek Mist spray, and of course I go in with the hot combs. So now that it's dry, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It just looks so good, y'all. I'm going ahead and getting ready to talk. Alright guys, so this is the final look for this tutorial. Everything was very nice. The lace melted very easy, and everything came together pretty fine. So if you guys are interested in this hair and more information about it, check my description box below. Make sure you guys subscribe below.